Welcome! I'm Jerzy Adamski, who coordinated an international ring trial with Biocrates MxP Quant 500 kit, which can quantify 634 metabolites. In this trial, 14 laboratories worldwide measured the same set of human and rodent samples. 505 metabolites were measured above the limit of detection in at least one sample of the provided sets in all laboratories. Out of 561 normalized metabolites with values above LOD in more than 3 laboratories, we observed a very good reproducibility of measurements across laboratories with coefficients of variations of less than 25% for 400 metabolites in rat plasma and for 494 metabolites in NIST 1950 human sample. The results of this project will facilitate study design, replication, and multi-center studies by provision of high-quality data and definition of metabolite coverage limits in different matrices. Watch out! Please see a presentation of Gabi Castelmuller on the same topic on Wednesday, June 22nd in the session QA/QC and reproducibility at 1:30 p.m. I'll be around too, and you may talk to me at the Biocrates booth. See you!